Alright, video vlog check everybody, Azrael here. Kagagaling ko lang sa event ni Canon kanina. It's their Thanksgiving event and also the launching of the Canon Photo Marathon 2026. Nagbabalik na si Canon Photo Marathon at this will be on April 18, 2026 sa BGC gaganapin yung parang photo competition. By the way, suot ko nga pala yung kanilang official t-shirts merchandise na Canon Photo Marathon. At ang ganda na nakalagay dito, no? Mababasa nyo, no? Mababasa nyo ba? Parang one gear, yan. One gear. Parang all about Canon. Also, namigay din sila ng titanium na SD card. Grabe, this is, X Ascend. It's a 128GB na memory card na bakal, titanium siya. At I heard, daw to? Waterproof daw, no? Tsaka hindi siya nabebend, so matibay. I guess ito rin gagamitin ko talagang memory card for my other camera. Sana naka-Canon na tayo ngayon, no? Meron naman ako Canon dyan, pero mga lumang point and shoot, pero nawawala yung battery. Okay, so I need to deliver this news, no? So kanina, they presented a lot of mga programs, no? They showcase their different kinds of camera. So nakita ko yung Canon R50V tsaka yung PowerShot V1. Napakaganda. Pero syempre, napupusuan ko pa din is yung R50V. So hopefully, may budget tayo ng mga 60,000 plus, makakabili na tayo, makakapagpalit na tayo, o dagdag tayo ng ating camera arsenal for content creation, photography, at pang-travel photography natin, no? So, kanina yun, program sa Canon Thanksgiving, and then after that, they laid out the parang news about the Canon Photo Marathon. So, na-mention ko nga kanina, that's on April 18 sa BGC. So, you need to register. The registration is now open. All you need to do is download the Canon Delightful app at doon kayo mag-register via the app. Huwag niyong buburahin yung app kasi I think the proof na makakasali kayo doon sa app eh. So, you need to create an account, register doon sa event page, doon sa app na yon, and then makakuha kayo ng slot, and maybe pa kami kasamang t-shirt din, no? Hindi ko pa kasi pa ako nakapag-register. So, free admission to, and it's open to all digital cameras, sabi nila dito, no? At hindi lang basta-basta Canon, basta camera mo, naka-Sony ka, Fujifilm, ano pa ba? Nikon, ano pa ba? Mga Pentax, Panasonic, mga Ricoh, pwede kayong sumali. Kasi they have open category, tsaka yung category for Canon users. So first, they have a main photo category, no, na pwede for any brands and also for Canon users only. So dalawang category na kagad for the photo, no. And also they open up a video category for any camera brands and also for Canon users only. So inopen talaga nila lahat to. Napakaganda nung kanilang category ngayon, no? Free for all to. At maganda rito, they have a category for media and also Canon employees. So iniisip ko, no, sasali ba ako dito? Parang gusto kong sumali no, sa media category eh. But medyo matindi to kasi mga kalaban natin dito, mga photojournalist talaga. Pero maganda yun, no? Matinding labanan yun, no? I'm not sure kung may sasali, pero for sure may sasaling mga photojournalist dyan. Pero we're going to kumbaga, take this challenge. No? Maganda kasi media, kalaban mo, kapwa media. Hindi yung mga photographers talaga mong magagaling eh. No? Pero dito talaga, baka magkaroon tayo chance kahit mapunta tayo sa top 10. No? So, yung bagong category nila for media and also for Canon employees. So, maganda yung ginawa nila, no? At for the prizes, no, for the open photo category, no, they will be awarding EOS R8. Grabe, napakaganda na tong camera na to. At will be for the open photo category, yes. Tapos for the video category naman, they're giving away PowerShot V1 and also R50V as prizes. Oh my God. So, yung PowerShot V1, it's for the open category. Tapos yung R50V, it's for the Canon users. Oh my God, ang galing. Tapos ang matindi rito, no, for the main category nila, for Canon users, no, ang price nito is Canon R6 Mark III. Matindi. They say it's around 250,000 pesos, no, yung camera na yun, no. So, ayun yung mga details sila. Actually, nagpa-raffle sila ng R50B kanina sa event. Hindi tayo nanalo, unfortunately. But I'm happy with the titanium SD card from X-Ascend. But I guess, I'm not sure if they're giving away nito, no, sa mga sasali. Hindi ko alam. Baka sa event lang to, sa event lang namin kanina. So, magandang come-on na rin din to. And also, the t-shirt is so nice. Sakto-sakto pala yung XL sa akin. Tsaka medyo pumayat na rin ako. At nagda-diet tayo. So, saktong-sakto siya. So, ayun. At sumali kayo sa Canon Photo Marathon 2026 dahil ito yung kanilang pagbabalik for this year. I think wala ata siya for 2 years na yata. No? I'm not sure. Kasi para sabi they're having problems in getting the right schedule. Kasi maraming ulan dito sa atin during those times. Mabagyo. Diba? So, nakakatawa na nagbabalik na itong Canon Photo Marathon. Which is, I know, this is one of the first to have a photo competition. Naalala ko, yung mga kilala ko sumali dito. Yung mga kilala kong travel vloggers pa nanalo. Na-imagine ko pa yung kanyang entry na construction worker. At I attempted to join pero hindi ako naka-join kasi yun nga, hindi ako nakagising ng maaga. At kahit nakaano ko, point and shoot na Canon, was trying to attempt to join. Pero may mga nasaling entries na na point and shoot lang yung gamit dati, no. For now, you need to read the mechanics, no, do sa app, sa Canon Delightful app para for the full rules ng Canon Photo Marathon 2026. So napaka-exciting to. At yeah, try natin, no, kasi may media category. That's very interesting, no. Kahit I'll be using my Fujifilm camera. Pero gagawa ko ng paraan, I might borrow a Canon camera. Pero wala lang, for fun lang naman. Pero nagkaroon ako ng nung una wala akong interest, sabi ko. Tinanong ako ng kapwa photographer ko, sabi ko, sasali ka ba dyan? Sabi ko, hindi ko na kaya yung mga ganyan eh. Parang nakakapagod it's like a photo walk but you're going to train your mind tsaka yung visuals mo. Depende kasi kung anong team yung ilalagay nila. Parang kanina, meron kaming Canon Photo Marathon na mini Canon Photo Marathon kanina. We need to print out our entries. Pero hindi ako nakahabol eh. I'll just show you na lang yung yung aking supposed to be na aking photo entry. Ito sana eh. Kasi ang title kasi New Beginnings eh. So ito, parang street photography style na. Pero hindi, nanalo kasi parang very, kumbaga, it will catch the eye of the Canon Philippines CEO eh. Siya yung nag-judge kanina eh. So they have 2 winners na mga kakilala natin. Napakaganda ng mga entries sila. But you need to train, ano ba talaga yung team. Kasi yung sakit ko when I join different kinds of photo competitions eh. May pasok ako sa team, tumaabot ako sa top 100, but after that, sumali ko the next round for next year, parang ganun, the other year, wala na ako sa team, so kaya talaga ipasok nyo sa kokote nyo yung team talaga. So, mahirap. Although, kahit nagpa-photo walk kami, photo it pa din, kumakain. Yung gusto kong parang photo marathon sa BGC, masarap doon kasi maganda yung visuals, maganda yung paligid, maraming geng-geng. Uy, magandang subject yung mga geng-geng doon, yung mga youngs tuna. Uy, maganda yun. No? Depende sa team yan. At syempre, maraming restaurant, maraming kainan. At meron doon Jollibee, may Chowking doon sa sulok-sulok kung gusto nyo ng mas mura. At meron doon sa isang Juan Bonifacio building ba yun? Sa may ground level, maraming kainan doon, food court. At doon yung steak break, which is very affordable, 100. Para wala pang 200, meron ka ng burger steak na 2 patty. Yun, nagbigay na ako na. Diba? Sino yung magiging HQ ko pag sumali ako sa Canon Photo Marathon? At di ko sinabing di ako sasali. Sasali talaga ako. Dahil nagkaroon ako ng interest for the media category. O nga pala, no, kailangan ko na pala mag-register. No? So, we will try kung ano ba yung requirements nila to be accredited as media. Kasi baka kailangan pa ng media ID. So, kakilala naman ako sa taga-Canon. Kilala ko may mga organizer. Baka sabihin, wala naman akong credentials from a broadcasting or a news media, kasi online lang tayo. Pero sabi nila, pwede naman yan, basta lang. Tingnan natin. Nagkaroon ako ng interest biglang sumali. Alright, I'll end now my video here. Maraming salamat kay Canon for the shirt at also the titanium SD card from X-Ascend. At I'm very excited for this Canon Photo Marathon 2020. Sumali tayong lahat. Use your any cameras. At this will be a fun activity for everyone. Kahit bata pwede sumali. So yun, I'll end on my video here. Thank you guys for watching. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you guys in the next video, vlog, adventure. Well, hopefully, next time makabili na tayo ng Canon R50V. Yun talaga napupusuan ko. More than mga 68,000 eh. Kompletos recados na eh. So yun, manifesting lang naman just in case. Alright, kita-kits, and happy photo walk. Ayun.